Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. I would like to begin by extending my warmest greeting. My name is Fitriani Hayati Huda. The student ID number 1,821,600,019 from the Science Education Study Program. Today I will present on the Equation 2025 article titled Development of Linear Multiple Choices to Measure Higher Order Thinking Skill in Ecology for Class 7 Junior High School Students. Introduction: The problem in 21st century education. It is crucial to develop higher-order thinking skills like critical thinking and problem-solving. However, Indonesian studies struggle with this skill, as shown by the 2022 PISA result where Indonesia ranked 68 out of 77 countries. The gap, a key challenge in the limited availability of effective assessment tools for HOTS, with many current tests focusing on lower-order thinking. Traditional multiple-choice tests are often insufficient because they are susceptible to quizzing and the measured with analytical abilities. Our solution: the study addresses this gap by developing a prepared multiple-choice test to measure HOTS in equality for Class 7 Junior High School students. This test is structured to evaluate not just the answer, but also the reasoning and confidence behind it. Methodology: Research approach. The study used a research and development (R&D) approach, following a modified AD model: analysis, design, development, and implementation. Case stage 1: Analysis, where identify challenges in assessing HOTS in ecology through interviews with teachers at SMPN 9 Tegal. The issues include low student literacy and the abstract nature of ecology content. 2. Design: We create a test blueprint based on Brookhart HOTS indicator. Analysis, evaluation, logical reasoning, decision-making, and problem-solving. And the ecology curriculum. The test items were designed with a three-tier structure, multiple choice, reasoning, and confidence rating. 3. Development: The instrument was validated by content and psychometric experts, who provided feedback for revision to improve clarity and relevance. A small-scale trial with 30 students is conducted to check item validity and reliability. 4. Implementation: The final instrument was administered to a large group of 62 students to evaluate its effectiveness in measuring HOTS and identifying misconceptions. Result and conclusion. Validation: The test instrument was found to be highly suitable. Content expert validation score 93.1% and psychometric expert validation score 89.1%. Reliability: The small-scale trial showed a reliability of 0.78 convex alpha. The large-scale trial confirmed the instrument reliability with a convex alpha of 0.626. Student performance: The large-scale trial validated that 48-60% of students mastered hot-based ecology concepts, while 26-55% struggled with those concepts and hot facts. The Twitter test effectively identified these patterns of understanding and misconceptions. Conclusion: The study successfully developed a valid and reliable criteria multiple choice test instrument that effectively measures health and ecology for grade 7 junior high school students. This tool can help educators assess critical thinking and address student misconceptions in the classroom. In conclusion, I have presented the development and effectiveness of the criteria multiple choice test for assessing higher order thinking skills in ecology. Please forgive me if there were any mispronunciation or shortcoming during my delivery. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.